Amazing day. If it's your first time coming over to my channel, thank you so much. My name is Dionna Marguerite. Nice to meet you, girl. I hope you will love what you see. You hit that subscribe button. You also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. Also, if you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back and comment all that good stuff you guys do. You really warm my heart and I love you guys so much for it. So, I'm going to be doing a product review today on these EBIN New York lace wig bonding glues. And shout out to EBIN New York for sponsoring this video. They did send me over 2 of their lace wig glues, and I'm going to be using both of them, one on this side and one on this side. So as you can see, I have fresh face, nothing going on. I think for the best wig application, I feel, in my opinion, is to not have any makeup on. I have applied lace units on top of makeup sometimes, or I have tried to, like, you know, get that area clean and then apply a unit, and it just doesn't work out as good. It still does work, and don't get me wrong, but it doesn't last as long. So I want this to really be a really in-depth review of these items. One thing that I did want to say about these lace wig glues is that they are super inexpensive. You guys know my channel is all about slaying on a budget and really bringing to you guys things that you can get readily available. Excuse me, I can't talk, but yeah, readily available to you guys that you can just pick up at your local beauty supply store. So both of these items are available at your local beauty supply store. I will leave a link down below to where you can purchase them online as well. So yes, one is the EBIN New York Wonder Lace Bond Lace Wig Adhesive Extra Mega Hold. Okay, so it's latex free, waterproof, and perspiration resistant. So that means that you should be able to sweat in this. It's waterproof. You should be able to shower in it and your wig still be laid. So this one is the extra mega hold, and this one is the extreme firm hold. So both of them are latex free, both waterproof, and both perspiration resistant. So one is just the red and this one is yellow. So we're gonna see if there's any difference between, as far as like if I see any differences in texture or in hold. So we will see on here. Just looking at it, it says the red one will be a more firmer hold, so we will see how long these will last. That is the real test, in my opinion, because I do work out at least 30 minutes a day. That's when I'm starting out, because your girl don't like to work out. Trust me. But yeah, first thing I'm going to do is use this 91% alcohol with a cotton rounds, and I'm just going to, even though my face is clean, I'm still going to go ahead and use the cotton round to clean up this area at all. See if there's any extra oils or extra anything. And then the second thing I'm going to do is make sure that my baby hairs are completely pushed back. I'm going to be using some edge control. You can use any edge control that you will like. And I'm just going to take my comb and just push everything back. Everything's got to be back. You want a clean surface when you are applying your wig. And for me, I'm not going to be doing the bald cap method. Sometimes I just feel like it's unnecessary and an extra step that I don't need to necessarily do. My wigs do come out slayed when I do them, but right now your girl don't feel like doing all that. So once again, I'm going to use my cotton rand again just to get any of that extra oil off. And the wig I'm going to be using is a wig that I got from another company, and I will leave it in the cards up top if I can remember, so you guys can check it out. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the unit on really quick. And then this is a natural textured wig, as you can see. I need to get it out of my face because you want nothing really in your way when you are applying your wig. So I'm just going to use a what is this? I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil and just etch out where I need my glue to be. And this can easily be removed with a makeup wipe once you're done. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and take this baby off. And this side I'm going to use the extreme firm hold, which is said to be a firmer hold. And I'm going to use this glue the same way I use any other glue. I'm going to make sure that it is clear before I add another layer. Even though it's kind of coming out clear already, which is kind of a good thing. So then I'm going to go in with the other one on the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and wait till both sides get clear, and then I will put another layer on. I think I'm going to do 3 layers. That's usually the lucky number for me. That does pretty good. Okay, so all 3 layers are now clear, as you can see. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on. I always start out with the middle, and then I secure that, and then I work on each side. And it kind of keeps the hair out of your face. So yeah, this is super cute. I love, love, love this. And I am, so far, loving this glue. Ain't going nowhere. It is on for the count, honey. But it's looking really good. So what I'm going to do now is just go about my days just like normal. And I'm going to wear this unit for 3 days. And I'm going to see how, and that's about as long as I can do personally, because you guys know I have other reviews and things that I need to do. So 3 days is good for me. So I'm going to do today, tomorrow, and all of Sunday. It is now 9:26 in the morning, and I am just going to go about my full day today, full day Saturday, and full day Sunday. And I will come Sunday evening when I'm going to remove this unit, and I will give you guys my final thoughts on how it is. But right now, both sides seem to be very secure. So we gonna see how it work out. But right now I'm loving it. So I'm about to just do my makeup really quick. And yeah, we're gonna get it popping. Okay, so it is 11:26 and I am late for church. It is Sunday, but I need to go ahead and take this scarf off. And I said that I was going to do the end of Sunday, but I really wanted to see how it was holding up Sunday. This is the third day I've had it on since Friday morning. So I'm going to wear it throughout church, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove it tonight. But we will see how it's working now. The curls are probably going to be like stuck to my head because it's been under this bonnet. But what we care about is this lace. Is it still laid? And it is, yes. Let's check these ear tabs. Looks like the ear tabs are still intact. Looks like this one is lifting just a little bit. Just a little bit right there, which isn't horrible. And I'm just going to leave that alone because I usually just wear my hair down like this. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair and put my little clippies in or whatever. Okay, so here is the wrap up of this video. So basically today is Monday. I wore the wig and using the glue from Friday to Sunday. All day Friday, all throughout Sunday. Okay, I went to church, came home, gave my daughter a bath, all of that good stuff, everything. Sunday, had dinner with the fam, all of that. So now that it is Monday, I want to share with you guys how I removed it. And I did have footage of that. Don't ask me where it went, but it's really not that, you know, complex anyway. All I had was my spray bottle that I can't find right now, but yes, it has water and conditioner in it, and I literally just massaged it in that area. This is imperative. It's imperative that you do not like yank at your wig when you're removing it or do any of that, anything that feels rough, because you will take out your hair, period. And it doesn't matter if you did the ball cap method. It doesn't matter what method you used. You will take out your hair or you will damage your skin. So what I did, like I said, just removed it with the water and conditioner mix and literally just massaged it until I seen that it was lifting, and then it just easily came off. So one thing that I really do like about this product is that most of the actual residue from the glue was on my forehead instead of the wig. Personally, I like it that way because of course I could just, you know, remove it from my skin, wash my face, get all of that gunk off, and I don't have as much to remove from the lace. So there is some on the lace still, and it's easy to just literally go like this and rub in that area, and it literally just comes up. Super duper easy to remove. And if you have any rough spots, which I haven't encountered just yet, which I don't know if I will, but if I do, just with my experience with other glues, you could just use some 91% alcohol and a cotton pad and literally just rub it in that area, and it will come up, so that you're able to reapply your wig the next time without any glue residue. So yeah, overall the glue lasted 3 days. I worked out Friday and I worked out Saturday. Sundays are my off days. I do not work out. I don't do anything. I'm lazy. I eat. I chill. But I was still on the go. I was still going to church. I was still, you know, doing things with the fam. And then, you know, still had the wig on when I was doing things with my daughter as well. So yes, still a lot of movement, still a lot of sweating, and the wig did not move. Like as you've seen in the last clip, I did have a little bit of lifterization on the side. That's not a word, but whatever. Yeah, I did have a little bit of lifting on this side, but that was it, literally. And for it to be a beauty supply store, affordable glue, lace glue, I would highly recommend it. Personally, I really didn't see a difference between these two. And the crazy part about it is the one with the extra hold is the one that was lifting a little bit on this side. So don't know, but I would recommend either one of these though. They work. They I did not swim or anything in it. It's not the season to be swimming, so I'm not swimming. But and I didn't like saturate my hair in the shower. I'm not that type of chick to be saturate my wigs in the shower. Like, I don't need to prove anything. But I do need to make sure that my wig will last when I work out and when I'm doing, you know, a lot of things throughout the day. I don't want anything lifting. I don't want any of that. So did it pass the test? In my opinion, yes. And for it to be as affordable as it is in a beauty supply store, glue that you can just pick up, awesome. So yes, let me know if you guys have any questions. I will obviously always get back to you guys. I always respond to you guys' comments down in the comment section. So yes, definitely leave them down below. I didn't get any irritation on my skin at all. If you are worried about that at all, usually beauty supply stores does have a skin protectant that you can use. So definitely check that out if you are worried about glues on your skin. So yeah, anything else, leave it down below, and I will see you queens in my next video. Put out into the world what you want to get back. Again, thank you so much, EBIN New York, for sending over these products. Appreciate you, and I will see you queens in my next video. Deuces.